YouTube world, what's happening, man? Hey, man, we back in the building. Faceman TV, where, you get some entertainment mixed with business. So today, I'm gonna entertain y'all with the making of my seafood pasta. Something like a boil, but, with the pasta, you know what I'm saying? Garlic, butter, noodles, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all just pay attention, you know what I'm saying? And I'm about to show y'all some magic, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Some black tiger shrimp. Delicious. Just a little bit of that crab little stuff and all that. We're gonna hit it with this seafood butter sauce, garlic. Ooh, only if you can smell that there. Gotta hit the noodles with that. Like that. That shrimp. Definitely gotta hit that corn. We're gonna just hit it with the definitely good on that. Hit that shrimp. Like that. Y'all see them big old snow crab leg, man? That's the last of the toppings on this. Yeah, like that there. Then, there you have it. Seafood pasta. Black tiger shrimp, beef smoked sauces. Good corn, broccoli, buttery garlic pasta with the snow crab leg. Ooh, wait. Eat your heart out. So tell me, y'all, how'd y'all like that? You know what I'm saying? I gotta give a big shout out to the man behind the camera when I was putting that together. The man who actually come to pick up them 2 plates. My bro Chris, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? So, right on for that, man. Looking out for me, because I couldn't have done that with one hand. You know what I'm saying? That's why I be needing a cameraman, you know what I'm saying? So I can get some footage like that for y'all. But, yeah, I just had to show y'all that seafood pasta, you know what I'm saying? Oh, man, that shit look good, don't it? Go back and rewind it and, you know what I'm saying, check it out again, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And if you ever in Colorado, man, look up Pat's Kitchen, you know what I'm saying? I'm everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, all that, you know what I'm saying? So, ask about me, Matter of fact, go to my Instagram, Pat's Kitchen 303. And check out what I got on there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Or follow me at Instagram, FaceMob, PHACEMOB. Or you can go to CEO The Collection. CEO The Collection Instagram. That's for my merch, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I just wanted to show y'all that. And I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? And drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think about my seafood pasta, man. You dig? Because I like it. Alright? Y'all have a good one. Peace.